What's up guys, today we're going to change out this OEM steering wheel for this Sparco steering wheel. You're going to want to start by unplugging the battery so we can take the airbag off. I want to get a flathead and you're going to put it in these slots. There's one here, one on this side, and one underneath. This pops out and you're going to want to get this side, which I already got, and then the bottom. Airbag pops out. So you're gonna want to get a flathead screwdriver, put it under the yellow things, and then pop it up. Last up, you're just gonna want to get this blue wire for the horn. All you have to do is just pull it off. You're gonna want to unplug this white clip right there. Loosen this 18. And then you're going to want to pull the steering wheel off. You're going to want to put these resistors on. You just put the pins through these two holes right here. And then just tuck it behind this hub. Line up this plastic part with this square part right here. You're going to want to tuck all those wires behind this and then just put the nut on and tighten it. Actually, this bolt is a 17. My bad if I said 18. You're just going to want to torque it down to 18 foot-pounds. You're going to want to put all 6 of the little bolts in and then tighten it down with the Allen key. Tighten all the bolts and it's good to go. This is how it looks in my interior. Thanks for watching guys, and stay tuned for the next episode. Later.